Hey guys, do you guys want to see what a $1.85 million house with 2 acres in the southwest Las Vegas look like? Oh, let's take a look inside. So coming in from the front entrance, this whole house has been remodeled. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a casita. So let's take a look at this house. So we're in the dining area, open floor plan. They did this nice wine rack area. As you can see the kitchen behind me. We'll save that for later. We're in the living room, vaulted ceilings, nice fan, tile over the fireplace. If you walk outside, nice stacking doors, large patio area, going straight out into the backyard. Under the patio area, we're gonna walk over to the casita. And the garage. Before we go back in to check out that kitchen and the primary, let's take a look at this yard, the pool, and the side yard. As you can see how large this yard is. Behind me is the pool with water features. Volleyball there. Golf practice there. Fire pits there. All right, now coming to the east side of the property, and you'll be able to see this large lot area. You can do whatever you want. Horses, 20-car garage, a shop, or build another house. Back in the covered patio area, nice stonework they did on the pillars. Hot tub, of course, more seating area back there. LED lighting that they added. Let's go inside and check out the good stuff. All right, finally, we're in the kitchen. Double island, quartz countertop, waterfall edge, party sink, ice maker, and then we have the appliances. Stainless steel, of course. Right here, you see this is pretty much like a study area. It's open and access to the back patio as well. And now we're in the master. We got the wood panels all the way across the back behind the bed. We have a fireplace tiled all the way up, and then we have the master bathroom. All right, so this is the end of this property tour. If you like what you see and you want to see more or see in person, hit me up, dallas@kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668, and don't forget to like and subscribe.